This LV on-the-go voyage pouch has elevated the way that I travel. Keep watching to find out how. Welcome to the Handbag Heaven, and today we are looking at the collection, specifically my new on-the-go voyage pouch. I unboxed the new voyage bag in a previous video, so make sure you check that out. In that video, I go into details about why I buy, I go into design, style, and best value, so make sure you check it out. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to hack that pouch that comes with the bag to make it more versatile and elevate your travel. We're going to dive right in. First, I'm going to remove the pouch from the on-the-go tote voyage bag. It has like these little snap closure buttons on each side. So what you want to do is unsnap that and take it through the loop. And then you can pull that scrap off on that side and pretty much do the same thing on the opposite side. Unsnap, pull it through the loop, and then you can pull the whole strap through. Now it does have a magnet, so as you can see here, the magnet kind of holds the pouch to the bag as well, even when it's unstrapped. So you're gonna have to tug at it a little bit to get it undone. So here it is, it's all undone. Here's the pouch. Here's the opposite side with the monogram print. So it's got the large monogram print on the other side, and then there's just the smaller monogram print here. But yeah, this is a great little pouch that you can hack. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to just add a strap to the pouch. So here's one of the LV adjustable straps. Now, if you already have one of these on one of the bags that you own, you don't have to buy one. I actually have one that came with my pochette Matisse. So I'm just going to use that one. Well, I'm going to take that one out and I'm going to demonstrate how to add this to the pouch. Another option is that you can use the cloth strap. So if you have one of those LV cloth straps like this one, which LV, they include with a lot of their bags. So you probably already have one of these. And so here are both of the straps that I will be using and demonstrating in this video. First, we're going to start off with the cloth strap. So what you want to do is make sure the straps on the pouch are open and not closed. And what you're going to need for this is you're going to need some rings. I will put the size in the description. So I'm just going to slide the ring on. I'm not going to, attach it, in any permanent way to the pouch because I don't want this to be permanent. So basically I'm going to put it on and then I'm going to snap that, that strap closure back with the snaps there. Yeah, so I'm just going to close that side and I'm going to put the ring on the opposite side as well and do the same thing. You're just going to close it. You're just going to pull the scrap through and snap it closed to make sure you get it in the loop. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you add those rings, you can see, I'm pretty sure you know now that you can just add any type of strap to this pouch. So I'm just, demonstrating how to add the cloth strap. Now, the reason why I chose this ring is because, it's easy enough to add the straps that I'm using in the video. So if you're using the same straps, it's very easy because the clasps on this strap could actually fit around this ring. Now, if you get a thicker D ring, you may start to have issues with that. But here it is. It wear it crossbody, which is how I want to wear it, like cross the chest, and I want to be able to adjust it. Next, we're going to do the other strap, which is that adjustable monogram strap that I took off the pochette Matisse. So again, very easy to snap on. Same clasps as the cloth strap, so pretty much the same thing going on here. And yeah, so yeah, you just basically snap it on. Now this is the reverse monogram strap that came with the bag. It is a shorter strap, but you could actually adjust it as well and wear it. Now it has like a thicker clasp on it, but it still fits. So if you want to go with the reverse monogram, so if you have the bag, of course, you could just use the strap that comes with that bag. Now I personally prefer the monogram strap, and I don't mind wearing the cloth strap. But again, if you don't have either of those straps, you can definitely use this strap to wear this pouch as a bag. So basically, that pouch has really elevated the way I travel. It makes it much easier and convenient. I pretty much wear the pouch across my chest, so it's easy access to all of the items that I need while traveling, like my phone, my card, my boarding pass, or just pretty much anything I need while traveling. Let's talk in the comments. What are your thoughts about the on-the-go voyage pouch? I know I've seen quite a few videos talking about, whether it's worth it or not. I have special circumstances that led me to purchase this bag. Check out my video. I talk about all of that in the video. Listen, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. If you enjoy content on luxury, fashion, and beauty, then go ahead and subscribe to The Handbag Heaven. I would love for you to become a member. Also follow The Handbag Heaven on Instagram. As always, thanks for watching.